The electrical engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the practical application of the theory of electricity to the construction of machinery, power supplies, etc. Which simply means it studies all the electric appliances, devices, circuits, transmission lines, transformers, also the power plants and electronics in the surrounding.
Ohm's law. Statement: at constant temperature, the current through an ideal resistor is directly proportional to the voltage applied across the resistor. Here, ideal resistor is that resistance which possesses the property of pure resistance and doesn't change its property due to change in voltage. Resistance which is nothing but a resistor is opposition offered to the flow of current. Equation or expression: I is directly proportional to V or V is directly proportional to I. The constant of proportionality is written as R, and this is the resistance value of the resistor. So above equation becomes V equals IR, which is the equation for Ohm's law. First we will draw a circuit having components voltage, current and resistance. Let the voltage be capital V volts. The current through ideal resistor be capital I amperes. And resistance be capital R ohm. Now, as statement says, at constant temperature, voltage is directly proportional to current. And we can write vice versa. That is, now if we put constant of proportionality here, let it be R, then equation becomes V equals IR, which is Ohm's equation. 1. When current flows through a resistance, there will be a dissipation of power from the resistance. 2. This power can easily be determined by using Ohm's law. 3. As we know, power is the product of current and voltage. If the current, I ampere, flows through a resistance and voltage, V volts, is the voltage across the resistance, then power is power equals voltage multiplied by current. We will simply write it as P equals R multiplied by I multiplied by I. V equals IR. P equals I squared R, also P equals V squared divided by R. 1. The main criteria for Ohm's law is to keep the resistance constant, because proportionality constant in the relationship is resistance R. 2. But we know that the variation of temperature affects the value of resistance, so to keep the resistance constant during experiments of Ohm's law, the temperature is considered constant. More conveniently, we can say that as all the current-carrying substances are metals and they are generally good thermal conductors, that's why the temperature is kept constant here. 1. Applications: in fan regulators, measurement devices, electronics. This will go on, because this law is foundation of electrical engineering. 2. Limitations. First, can't be efficiently applied to unilateral network, which contains diodes and transistors. Second, not applicable for non-linear elements.
Thank you.